What if I tell you that this video
Creating a profitable YouTube channel in 2025 involves more than
and this video,
Creating a profitable YouTube channel in 2025 involves
they are fake, they are AI generated? What will you say? Anyways, channels like the Zenith Studio has been able to grow their YouTube channel from 0 subscribers count to over 92,000 subscribers count, heading to 100,000 subscribers. And this same channel like Zenith Studio earn over $2,000 every single month without having to show their face, without having people to also recognize their voice. So what they basically do is to create an AI generated images and videos, talking images to be precise and talking videos to be precise, and they use this as an opportunity to present a lot of things to their channel. Recently, Google also said faceless YouTube channels using AI generated images or videos earn over 1,000 to 10,000 to 100,000 USDT every single month. A lot of YouTubers has also been talking about how profitable is faceless YouTube channel, especially those ones that are using AI generated talking images and videos to ensure the maximum growth of their channel. And a lot of YouTubers are also going into creating faceless channels, like using these same strategies I'm about to share with you and using this same software to be able to get every single thing they need down to their videos. In today's videos, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create, when I mean create from scratch, your AI avatar generated images / videos. Because I'm going to be showing you guys honest and detailed tutorials step by step on how you can be able to go with this same strategies so that you can be able to maximize and start making a lot of money from YouTube. If you are a YouTuber or you're a content creator or you're about to start creating content and you don't want to put out your face here, this video is for you, because in less than 5 minutes, we will be able to generate this, and trust me, you're going to thank me later. The beautiful part about this software that I love so much is it has everything in one. So you don't need to be running helter-skelter to be looking for one resources here and there. And this is not us talking about Bing or talking about Leonardo AI. This is like a different suite software, and there is no software I'm going to be talking about if I am not going to be talking about Wondershare Virbo. With Wondershare Virbo, they have over 350 plus AI avatars that can actually represent you in doing whatsoever you need to do. Instead of me coming here to sit down and talk, I can just basically put them here and they do the talking for me, and they also do the video for me, and I put it out there to like make my money. If you click on the link in the comment section, on the link in the description, to bring you to this interface where you can see effortless creation, you can see 350 plus lifelike avatar, 400 natural voice, and 80 languages. Like, there are a lot of things for you to be able to enjoy here. And all you need to do to get started is to go ahead and click on what? Start online for free. You can also click on start online for free, which any other one, they will just ask you to log in, and that is it. For me, I've been able to log in. So basically what I just do is I'll just go to my account that I've already logged in. So this is my account, and this is some of my work that I've been able to do here. Okay, now if you check on this left hand side, you're going to be seeing home, my creation, template, avatar, AI voice, AI video generator, AI video, AI clip generator, and you can see avatar video, talking video, translation, video translation. If you click more, you can see where you can even convert URL to video. You understand? So this makes things really easy for you and the rest of that. Now for you to start creating, as simple as ABCD, it doesn't even take much. It's for you to click on this create, and you're going to be seeing 16.9 for YouTube and then 9.16 for TikTok. I'm creating YouTube videos, so I'll go ahead and click the 16.9 for YouTube. Okay, now you're going to be seeing this particular interface popped in for you. All you need to do is just to click on it, and then you click on delete, and once you click on delete, she's gone. And then on this other hand, you're going to be seeing template, avatar, background, text, sticker, music, import, and then you're going to be seeing popular, basic, simple, and face. So you can just go ahead and choose any one. Then on this same hand that you are seeing here, you're going to be seeing here where you can choose your languages that you want to use, or the particular voice that you want to use, and of which you're going to do that for you as well. This is where you can play your script to be able to hear what your script is talking about. You get. Now, if you want to start now, I'll go ahead and click on avatar. And if I click on avatar, this is different avatars for me to be able to choose. So feel free to choose anyone that is okay for you. Me, I always love working with this lady or this lady or this guy or this guy. I think I've worked with this other guy as well here, okay? So I just want my video to be classic. So because I'm creating YouTube video, so I prefer to use this particular avatar here. And you can see how the background is. The background is beautiful. If you want to still change background, feel free. You can change background, any background that you want to change at all. The thing is, the background is not going to reflect on the videos immediately, but the background, for you to know that the background is already there, you will see it on this same line like this, okay? But for me, I prefer this, my background that I'm using, because I really love this particular background that I'm using. Now, the next that I'm going to be doing now is to go to ChatGPT. So when I go to ChatGPT, I type what I want. Because it's relating to YouTube video, I type how to get 1,000 subscribers, and ChatGPT brought out all of these, but I can't use all of these directly because I need to edit it and ensure that I pick the one that I want. I copy it, move to my Microsoft Word. You can do this in your notepad. Make sure I work on it, then copy it to move back to the platform. My platform, and then I click on this place. You can see text to speech or audio. If you have your own audio, you can automatically put your own audio, okay? So now I am just going to do what, to paste this here. And once I paste this here, you can see that you can put even up to 4,000 words. And this, my video minute duration is 3 minutes as well. And if you want to even add other scenes that you have, you can just click on plus button, add the scenes, and then you just do the same thing, copy and then add. You understand? So this is very easy. Then on this other end again, if you want to bring out your subtitle, you can go ahead and bring out your subtitle. You can see, so that as it's talking, you're going to be seeing the subtitle here as well. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to play this so that you can listen and be sure, okay? So if I click on this, it is going to like preview it, okay? But because I don't want to preview it, I want to change my voice. I will click on this place first to be able to change my voice. You can also choose to clone your voice. So you can see they say clone your voice without recording and converting from text to audio if you want to clone your voice. But I have different type of voices here that I can actually use. So anyone you want to use, for example, you just play and listen.
In seed time, learn. In harvest, teach. In winter, enjoy. Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself.
So any voice that you choose, you can just go ahead and choose. And if you want a different language, you can see language here where you can choose from different languages as well. If you want a particular male or female voice, you can click on female or anyone that you want, and you will see just female voice here. Remember, I'm using female AI avatar. Are you seeing? Now, if you want a particular scene, you can also go ahead and choose, is this storytelling? Let me pause this. And you can choose, is this storytelling? Is it tutorials? Anything you want, okay? Like this one now, it is tutorial. So immediately I click on tutorial, you can see that there are a lot of voice here from on the tutorial end, okay? And you can click on this Bella. You understand? Now, as simple as ABCD, go ahead to choose any voice that you want. And once you're done picking any voice that you want, you go ahead and choose what, select. So let's click on this USA Cora lady. You understand? Now, if it's this lady that we want to use, or want to use Emily, anyone you want to use, just go ahead and click on select. And once you click on select, you are done. Now you're going to play to listen.
1,000 subscribers in 3 days is ambitious but possible, especially if you leverage smart strategies. Here's a more focused, actionable approach to help.
Now, have it in mind that this is not going to what? This is not going to play. The lips are not going to be moving until you are done with everything that you are doing. You understand? If you also want to add text, you can feel free to add a subheading and add a heading, a subheading, and also create any text style that you actually want to add here. If you want to add stickers, feel free to add any stickers. You can see arrow pointing. If you have any other images you're displaying and you want it to point, feel free as well. You can also add a music, so that as music is playing in the background, to make it entertaining for a lot of your viewers. And here is the AI generation, which I love so much, where you can be able to create your prompts here, and it will generate different. You can see if you click if you create your prompts, you just click on generate video, and you can get a lot of videos for you to be able to work with here. That's the beautiful part I love about this one. But for me, with this one that I've been able to create, I'm okay, because I don't want to stress myself too much. And what I will just basically do, since I already get what I want, is to click on what, play. And are you listening to it, guys?
Especially if you leverage smart strategies. Here's a more focused, actionable.
Now that you're done playing and you've seen it, that you love what you have here, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on download. Okay, now if you click on download, this is going to export the video, and once this video is done exporting, you'll come back and see it here. You can see it here. It says exporting video. Exporting video, please wait. Once it is done exporting, we'll come back and replay it for you guys so that you guys can see all the movements before we continue with the rest of this video. As you guys can see that it is done downloading here. Another beautiful feature I want to show you guys is this other tools. If you click on more here, you're going to be seeing talking videos, video translators, URL, video generator, mortgage maker, clip generator, video arts. Like there's still a lot of things, voice cloning, text to speech, and the rest of that. If you click on this video translation, for example, you can see where you can be able to translate your video language. Let's say you should select language, original video language. So you can go ahead and select the original video language here if it's English, and then here you want to select the language that you want to translate to. If it's German or any video translator that you want to translate at all, you just need to hit on the translate this video and it is beautiful. It is going to translate for you. So these are other features that is also have as well that you can also work with. So right now let's go back to our video so that we can play our video so that you guys can see, which was this particular video that we created. Okay, so we're just going to play it now so that you guys will listen before we go ahead to download.
1,000 subscribers in 3 days is ambitious but possible, especially if you leverage smart strategies. Here's a more focused, actionable approach to help you achieve that. 1. Focus on viral content.
So right now, if you're done playing this video and you love what you already have here, so you just go ahead and click on download. And if you click on download, this will download directly to your computer. Okay, so once it's downloaded to your computer, you can go ahead to carry this particular video and upload on your YouTube channel and do whatsoever you want to do with it. So let's wait for it to be downloaded to our computer.
Getting 1,000 subscribers in 3 days is ambitious but possible, especially if you leverage smart strategies. Here's a more focused, actionable approach to help you achieve that. 1. Focus on viral content, create trending content. Find out what's currently trending and create content around it.
After saying that all of this is successful, as simple as ABCD, all you need to do now is to check the one you want to go for. They have the yearly, they have the monthly and the yearly. Which of the yearly they have like 65% off, okay, for everybody that will be clicking the link in the description to use. You can see the starter here approximately 20 USD. You can see the creators approximately 28 USDT, and you can see the advanced approximately 49 USDT, and you can see different packages that they have on each of them. But trust me, there is none of this package that you're going to get that you're not going to get more profit out of it. Remember, I always tell you guys that anything you use your money to invest on YouTube, you're definitely going to get it. You can see this one for yearly, you can see was 49, approximately $50, and you can see here approximately $80, and you can see the advance approximately $200, where you can be able to enjoy filming your videos unlimitedly, make your money, and thank me later. Thank you so much for staying stick with me to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have been using Wondershare Virbo, let me know in the comment section. If this is the first time you're hearing about Wondershare Virbo, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, like I said, the link and everything, every other details that you need will be in the comment section and also in the description. With no further ado, I do add the quality in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys later. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.